Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So if you've ever wondered what different seeds look like, I'm going to show you by starting with the radish seed. So this is the radish cherry bell, and I'm going to open this packet for you. So as you can see, I've got my clear cups here. I actually have a table full of these. I've got all of my seeds laid out, and I also have my masking tape. But with the radish, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit here. So it says cherry bell radishes are some of the most favorite vegetables to grow. They are quick to mature, usually in just about 3 weeks. So days to maturity, 21. Plant depth, you'd plant it 1/4 of an inch. Plant spacing, you can space them 1 to 3 inches apart. Days to germinate, 3 to 4, so that's exciting. Start indoors by direct sow, and sun or shade. It says full sun. And just to give you an idea, like this says days to maturity and days to germinate. On my table over here, I've got a lot of seeds laid out, but these are pumpkin seeds, for example. So this is the pumpkin sugar pie. These are the days to maturity is 85 to 100, and days to germinate is 7 to 14. So if you were wanting to see some results, radishes are a good seed to start with because you'll see action more quickly, and it doesn't take as many days to mature. So let me give y'all just a quick view of my setup here. So I've got all of my seeds laid out, and that's how I have them separated. I have them separated by days to maturity, days to germinate, and then I've got my cups laid out, and I've got my masking tape, and I've got my bag of potting soil. So if you are looking for a nice little hobby, something very affordable to do, I can show you the bag that I got. It's called Seed Value Kit. I want to say this came from Amazon. If it did, I'll put the link in the description box. I'll pop the QR code on the screen. And I ended up getting 35 garden varieties. I had this on my Amazon wish list, and I got this for Christmas, actually. My daughter bought this for me, and these were all of the mini packets that came in. So if you feel like you don't have a green thumb, it's a lot of opportunity to practice. And again, they're, I'm sure, very inexpensive. If I can find them on Amazon, I'll also put the pricing on the screen as well, because I know if I put it on my wish list, I'm sure it wasn't that expensive. But anyway, just wanted to share. Oh, the whole purpose of me doing this is to show you what radish seeds actually look like. So in case you've never seen them before, I'm gonna open them. I'll let you see them. I'm gonna spill them out here. Wow. So as you can see, there are quite a few of these seeds in here. So you should be able to get something if you're gonna do spacing 1 to 3 inches apart. So I can't even tell you, it's so many in there that this is gonna be exciting. So I just separate them out, start them in the house, and then I transfer them outside. So if you're interested in this, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And while I have y'all here, what I usually do is I'll take my masking tape. Oops, I didn't get a clean tear, so hold on just a second. But I take my masking tape and just label the cup. And if you have small children, or if you have older children, or if you have an older relative, this is a fun hobby for anybody. And like I said, it's very affordable. But I just take the masking tape. Like if you have kids, they can do any part of this project. And label. And write. And if you have little kids also, they can practice their writing, their spelling. It's very fun. You can have them look at the seed packet and copy the letters. So I'm gonna write radish. Give me just a minute. R-I-S-H. And it's that simple. So this is a easy, fun little hobby to do with any age group. So thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos. Thank you all for watching, and I will of course talk to you in my next video. Bye for now, everyone.